Why do GIMP updates break my plugins? Imagine spending hours editing a photo, only to find your favorite plugin no longer works after updating GIMP. Frustrating, right? Let's explore why this happens and how to keep your workflow smooth. When GIMP releases a new version, it often includes big changes under the hood. These updates can modify the core code that plugins depend on. For example, moving from GIMP version 2.0 to 3.0 involved switching from the GTK to User Interface Toolkit to GTK3. This change affects how plugins interact with the program. It's like changing the language your plugins speak, so they need to be rewritten or adapted. Another major change is the shift from Python 2 to Python 3.4 scripting. Many plugins are written in Python, and when the language version updates, those scripts might not run anymore. If a plugin was built for Python 2, it won't work with Python 3 without updates. This is a common reason plugins break after updates. GIMP also updates how it handles plugins internally. The way plugins are loaded, where they are stored, and how permissions are managed can change. For example, newer versions might restrict access to certain folders or change how plugins are installed, especially on Linux systems using Flatpak or Snap packages. These container formats can limit plugin access to files or system resources, causing failures. External dependencies can also cause issues. Many plugins relying on additional libraries or system tools. When GIMP updates, those dependencies might change or become incompatible. If a plugin depends on an external library that is no longer supported or updated, it can stop working. From a photo editing point of view, this can be a big problem. Imagine trying to use a plugin for advanced retouching or batch processing, and it suddenly doesn't work after an update. Popular plugins like Resynthesizer, used for removing objects, or Batch Image Manipulation plugin, used for processing multiple images, often face these issues. To avoid these problems, some users choose to delay updating GIMP until their favorite plugins are confirmed compatible. Others keep a backup version of GIMP 2.0 on their computer just for stability. If you're on Linux, installing GIMP through your system's native package manager can help avoid permission issues that sometimes come with Flatpak or Snap versions. Plugin developers are working to update their tools for the new GIMP versions, but it takes time. In short, GIMP updates can break plugins because of major changes in the software's architecture, programming languages, and how plugins are managed. For photographers and digital artists, it's wise to balance the benefits of new features with the need for stable, working plugins. Keeping an eye on plugin updates and choosing the right installation method can save you a lot of headaches.